Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Sanitaire Transport Corded Backpack Vacuum, SC570A, a unique and powerful cleaning solution that makes it special with its lightweight design and high suction power, making it perfect for professionals and heavy-duty cleaners who need a reliable and efficient vacuum for large areas. This vacuum is designed for those who require a high level of cleaning performance and durability, making it an ideal choice for commercial cleaning, industrial settings, and even large residential areas. Let me break down the specs. The Sanitaire Transport Corded Backpack Vacuum, SC570A, comes with a powerful 11.5 amp motor that provides a high suction power of 120 CFM, a 50-foot power cord, and a 1.5-gallon dust bag capacity. The vacuum weighs 14.5 pounds, has dimensions of 12 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and 20 inches in height. It features a two-stage filtration system, including a pre-filter and a HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. The vacuum also has a variable speed control, allowing users to adjust the suction power according to their cleaning needs. Additionally, it comes with a range of attachments, including a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and a floor nozzle, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. The vacuum is made of durable materials, including a heavy-duty plastic and metal construction, and has a comfortable backpack design with padded shoulder straps and a waist belt for reduced fatigue. It also features a built-in tool holder, a cord wrap, and a dust bag full indicator. The vacuum meets the standards of the Carpet and Rug Institute and is certified by the American Lung Association. In real-world use, the Sanitaire Transport Corded Backpack Vacuum, SC570A, performs exceptionally well with a powerful suction that can easily pick up dirt, dust, and debris from various surfaces. The vacuum is comfortable to wear, even for extended periods, thanks to its ergonomic design and padded shoulder straps. The variable speed control allows for precise cleaning, and the range of attachments makes it easy to clean tight spaces, stairs, and upholstery. The vacuum is also relatively quiet, with a noise level of 72 decibels, making it suitable for use in noise-sensitive environments. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy construction that can withstand heavy use. Real-world reviews praise the Sanitaire Transport Corded Backpack Vacuum, SC570A, for its exceptional suction power, durability, and ease of use. Users love the vacuum's ability to clean large areas quickly and efficiently, its comfortable design, and the range of attachments that come with it.